Morning air, open space, one body, one rhythm. I feel the ground under every step. I hear the city but it's distant. Grass and concrete side by side. I move slow, I let it ride. No destination, no delay. I'm not late, I'm on my way. Sunlight moves across the trees. Nothing pulling, nothing needs. I move along, slow and free. Just the sound and me. I move along naturally. Just the sound. On my face, breathe in time, every motion improvised. No reflection, no disguise. Body answers, mind goes quiet. Leaves fall down, I turn around. Circles drawn without a sound. Every step is enough, every move is just because I move alone, left to right. Morning groove, daylight. I move alone, easy pace, open heart, open space. Breathe. Step. Turn. Flow. Nothing more. Nothing more. No one knows how the rhythm comes and goes. Not a performance, not a show, just the body letting go. Time slows down between the beats. Park bench, shadows, moving feet. Here is where the moment stays. Not tomorrow, not yesterday. I move alone, still I'm home. Every step in control. I move alone, calm and free. Just the sound, just the ground, just me. Morning air, open space, one body, one rhythm. I feel the ground under every step. I hear the city but it's distant. Grass and concrete side by side. I move slow, I let it ride. No destination, no delay. I'm not late, I'm on my way. Sunlight moves across the trees. Nothing pulling, nothing needs. I move along.